Hello everyone. In this video series, I will be discussing object-oriented programming concepts in Python. So let's start from the very basic classes and objects in Python. Classes are blueprints for creating objects that have attributes and methods. Object are instances of classes that are created based on the blueprints defined by the class. In this video, I will walk you through a simple example of creating a class person. Okay. Defining its attributes and methods and creating an object from the class. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how classes and objects work in Python. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Okay. Now, let me create a class called as person. So you will see how we can create classes. So for creating a class, we need to use the keyword as class and name of the class. So here I'm using class name as person. So I need to define a special method that is init. Okay. Here what I have to do, I need to pass two parameters, name comma age. Now let me initialize here using the self keyword. Self dot name equals to name. Okay, and self dot age equals to age. Now let me create that method name as say underscore hello. Okay, it takes no argument, so let me pass it as a self only. Okay, now just define the print statement here. My name is, and say self dot name and age is self dot age. Okay, now there is a twist here. If you are using these curly braces here for printing, then you have to format this entire string or entire message. So for that, what you have to use, just put a F keyword for formatting this one. So in this example, I have defined a class called as person with two attributes name and age and a method called say underscore hello. So the underscore init, this one, this method, a special method in Python that is called when an object is created from the class. So the time when you are instantiating a class or you are creating an object for this person class, that time this special method will be called, and it sets two parameters name and age and sets the object's name and age attributes to the values passed in. The say underscore hello method, this is a simple method that prints out a message using the object's name and age attribute. Okay, so now let's create the object for this class. Pass any name. So let me call person object equals to class name person. So as I mentioned, at the time when you will create a object for this person class, that time itself this special method will get executed. Okay, so this special method requires two parameters, name and age. So you have to pass this name and age. So name is the string representation, so let's say name is Adam and age is integer, so let's say 40. Okay, now we created person object using this person class, so we can call methods exist in this person class. Okay, so what I have to do here, person object dot, when you will type dot, you can see there are so many references here and you will see a method that is inside, it belongs to this person class, say underscore hello. Okay, all right, so this is completed. Now let me execute this program. Okay, you can see here my name is Adam and age is 40. Okay, or when you have instantiated this person class, using this person object, at that time it required two arguments. Is set inside this special method, self.name equals to name and self.age equals to age, and I am using these two attributes inside this print statement. So this was the very simple example of understanding how we can create a class in Python, how we can define the special method, sometimes people call it as a constructor, okay, and a normal method. So this is about the classes and objects creation in Python. So thank you so much guys for watching.